Hey, what's up? It's Dr. Toby here. I'm going to show you one of the best things that people who love to weight lift, do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, other martial arts like Muay Thai, or even parkour, or anything that involves calisthenics or body weight or putting loads on the wrist. I'm going to show one of the best things that's helpful for getting rid of pain, discomfort, and performing at the best and peak without having wrist pain or discomfort. So one of the things that can be done is a manual distraction. This is going to be very helpful as a person begins to extract those joints and getting some space. This is also going to encourage blood flow when we use oscillation. So you can do sustained holds, or you can do oscillations, which is going to encourage some blood flow and healing nutrients to get to the areas that's been injured. You can also use a weighted distraction. So this is just going to allow you to use the force of gravity along with a weight to help distract that joint and cause there to be some relief for some of the tension that may be there from the compressive forces that happen when we're doing weightlifting, other kinds of activities like boxing, or things where we're making contact from our hand all the way to the wrist. So check out the masterclass that we're doing, Stronger Wrist, Stronger Grip. This is going to transform your fitness and help you to get to 100% when it comes to being able to do the things that you love without having pain or difficulty.